Dear students, today we consider same number arithmetic progression problem number 5 up to 4 done. Exercise 5.1. Which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. This is a problem. Now these sequences are given whether they form an AP or not. So first we examine whether they form an AP or not. I rewriting this here given 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2 dot. Now whether they form an AP or not, now we want to find their difference. 3 plus root 2, this minus this 3, this equal to root 2. Again this minus this, 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus root 2. So this is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2, this is root 2 we get. And this minus this, 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 plus 2 root 2, this is 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 minus 2 root 2, this equal to root 2. 3 cancel, we get root 2. Now what we get? We get all the numbers, their differences are same. This minus this root 2, this minus this root 2, this minus this root 2, their differences are same, so they form an AP. So what we get? Since their differences are equal, therefore 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2 dot form an AP. They are form an AP. What we get? This is these sequences, they form an AP. Therefore answer is yes. Answer yes, they form an AP. If they form an AP, now you want to find their common difference. If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. Therefore the common difference D equal to root 2, we get root 2. So next you have to find remaining 3 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 4 terms given. What are the remaining 3 terms? Here A means first term is 3, and D we get root 2. So the nth term, since an equal to nth term an equal to a plus n minus 1 into D. So a means 3, n minus 1 remains same, this is root 2. This is our an. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 4 terms given. Now fifth term. Now a5 equal to 3 plus 5 minus 1 into root 2, 3 plus 4 root 2 we get. A6, 3 plus 6 minus 1 root 2, 3 plus 5 root 2. A7, 3 plus 7 minus 1 root 2, 3 plus 6 root 2. So these are the values of 5th, 6th, 7th term. Therefore the required 3 terms are 3 plus 4 root 2, 3 plus 5 root 2, 3 plus 6 root 2, and this is our answer. And common difference, this is our answer, and yes, this is our answer. So this is our answer, this root 2 answer, and this 3 is our answer. I consider problem number 6, whether these sequences are formed in AP or not. 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.24 times, whether they form an AP or not. Now I want to rewriting these numbers. 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.2222 dot. So these are given. Now we want to check whether they form an AP or not. First we subtract this minus this, 0.22 minus 0.2. So this will be 0.02. And this minus this, 0.222 minus 0.22, this is 0.002. 0.24 times, and this is 3 times, then this will be 0.0002. So what we get, their differences are not same, their differences are different. Since their differences are not equal, therefore 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.2222 dot are not in AP. So answer is no, they are not in AP. Answer is no. Consider problem number 7, whether they form an AP or not. I rewriting these numbers dot. Now we want to find their differences. Minus 4 minus 0, this equal to minus 4. Minus 8 minus 4, minus 8 plus 4, minus plus, this is minus 4. Minus 12 minus 8, minus 12 plus 8, this is minus 4. So what we get, the numbers, their differences are same. Since their differences are equal, therefore 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12 dot are in AP. So they are in AP. So answer is yes. We get answer yes. If they form an AP, we want to find common difference. Common difference is minus 4. Therefore, the required common difference D equal to minus 4. This is another answer. Now, if they form an AP, we have to find next 3 terms. Here, first term A equal to 0, common difference D equal to minus 4. Since nth term an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, a means 0, n minus 1 remains same, this is minus 4, this will be minus 4 into n minus 1, this is our nth term. So we get nth term is this. Now you want to find the remaining 3 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 4 terms given. What are the remaining 3 terms? So 3 terms means we find first A5. Now A5 minus 4 into 5 minus 1 minus 4 into 4, this is minus 16, we get this is minus 16. Now A6, this is minus 4, 6 minus 1, minus 4 into 5, this is minus 20. A7, minus 4 into 7 minus 1, minus 4 into 6, this is minus 24. Therefore, the required three terms are minus 16, minus 20, minus 24. These are the answer. So we consider this problem 8 number. All of these are same numbers given. This is minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, dot dot dot. So we want to check whether they form an AP or not. Minus 1 by 2 minus minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, this is 0. And this minus this, minus 1 by 2 minus minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus minus plus 1 by 2, this is 0. Minus 1 by 2, this minus this, minus minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, this is 0. So these are, their differences are same. Since their differences are equal, so since their differences are same 0 0 0, therefore the numbers are in AP. Therefore minus half, minus half, minus half, dot 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 are in AP. They form an AP. They form an NC. So answer is yes. They form an AP. This answer is yes. Now if they form an AP, then we have to find common difference. Therefore the required common difference D equal to 0. This is another answer we get. Therefore the required common difference D equal to 0 we get. Next we have to find the remaining three terms. So here first term A equal to minus half and common difference D equal to 0. Since nth term A n equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, this. Now putting the values, minus half n minus 1 into 0. So minus half plus 0, this is minus half. This one A n, we get this is A n. Now we have to find the remaining three terms. So up to 4 terms given, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now fifth term we have to find. Now A5. A5 equal to minus half. A5 equal to minus half. A6 equal to minus half. A7 equal to minus half. This is fixed. Minus half. Remaining terms are minus half. Therefore the required three terms are, the required three terms are, what are the three terms? Minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. So these are the remaining three terms. Now we consider problem number 9. Now we want to check whether these given sequences form an AP or not. Now 3 minus 1 equal to 2, this minus this 2. 9 minus 3 equal to 6. 27 minus 9, this is 18. So what we get, their differences are not same. Their differences are different. Since their differences are not equal, therefore 1, 3, 9, 27 are not in AP, are not in AP. Therefore, answer no. No answer. They are not in AP. So, dear students, so I think the solutions are very easy. So, just practice. Mathematics, main medicine is practice. Without practice, mathematics is very difficult, and with practice, these are very easy. No one can say mathematics is difficult. Maximum number of students, guardian, they call mathematics is danger. But if we taking practice regularly, with practice, mathematics is very easy. So, if these solutions are easy, you are feeling these solutions are easy, then please subscribe my channel, like this video, and do not forget to click the bell icon. Thanks.